Cinematic shot of the 2026 Chevrolet NOMAD gliding along a coastal highway, its body catching the sunlight and reflecting a bold, futuristic design. The lines are sharp, yet flowing, and the front fascia immediately demands attention with its wide grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and a muscular stance that communicates confidence. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic profile give it a dynamic presence, while the rear design with its signature LED taillight bar and integrated spoiler adds both sportiness and refinement. The car rides on newly designed alloy wheels that complete the look of a modern crossover with a premium edge. Stepping inside the NOMAD reveals just how far Chevrolet has pushed interior quality and technology. The cabin feels spacious, crafted with a mix of soft-touch materials, real aluminum accents, and an optional leather upgrade that elevates the premium experience. A panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, giving it a more open and airy atmosphere. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a wide digital display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one curved screen, providing a futuristic yet practical user experience. Voice recognition, wireless smartphone connectivity, and over-the-air software updates come standard. Ambient lighting offers customizable colors, enhancing the overall feel during night drives. The seats are ergonomically designed, supportive on long journeys, and available with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom, USB-C ports, and an advanced climate control system, making it a comfortable vehicle for families and long trips alike. Performance is where the NOMAD shows its versatility. Chevrolet offers the NOMAD with multiple powertrain options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine for efficiency, a more powerful V6 for those who crave performance, and a hybrid model that balances power with impressive fuel economy. The ride quality is smooth, thanks to adaptive suspension that adjusts to different driving conditions in real time. On the highway, the NOMAD feels composed and quiet, while in city driving, the steering is light and responsive. Safety and driver assistance technology has been expanded with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an upgraded autonomous driving mode that can handle stop-and-go traffic with ease. When it comes to pricing, Chevrolet has positioned the NOMAD competitively in its segment. The base model starts around $35,000, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. For those who want the hybrid option with more advanced features, pricing moves into the low 40s. The fully loaded trim, which includes premium leather seating, the upgraded audio system, and the most advanced safety features, is expected to reach around $50,000. Considering the balance of style, technology, performance, and safety, the 2026 Chevrolet NOMAD